Hi guys, I'm Nidhi Singh.
Hi guys, I'm Anshuman Pushkar.
Hi guys, my name is Sameer Kocher and you're watching me on IWM Buzz. The buzz is here.
Who is most likely to? First
Okay.
segment.
Who's most likely to? Out of the three of us?
Yeah. The first one is who is most likely to be a foodie on a set?
Me.
Hey, we are supposed to also vote. Na? अपने आप थोड़ा ना देखो. चल, okay, she.
Yeah.
Okay, weird food combination you have tried together.
Weird food com.
combination. साथ में set पे बैठ के कुछ try किया होगा.
इस set पे, you remember they had.
That Jitan bhai has that mutton wala ekdam superb Lucknowi dish we have enjoyed
our
all together. Very
brilliant
nice dinner during the shoot
DOP.
only.
Yeah.
Jitan, he would say. He called for a feast on
Yeah.
set. And he's like, no matter what kind of diet you're on, you have to come on set and eat this
Yeah,
food.
no dieting-
Like he
dieting rules
demanded
were
that day that all of us eat
All-
that food, and it
all
was
spicy,
yeah.
Mughlai, mutton,
And it was
chicken,
worth it.
everything.
It was
आप
worth
उसको
it.
उंगली उंगली गल जाती है आपकी इतने spices में.
It was worth it. Yeah. So
Okay. Who is that one person जो हमेशा serious हो जाता है मजाक के मूड में जब सब रहते हैं तो? या बुरा लग जाता है मजाक में भी?
No question. She's
I knew.
यहाँ हाथ उठा देना ही होता है ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर मजाक कौन सबसे ज्यादा करता है?
मजा.
निधि अभी आप ये बता दो.
Both of them actually. They're both like clowns. Fully.
She could have used a better word. She's called us
Clowns.
clowns.
Yeah.
What is the better word? You say.
They're both wonderful human beings.
No,
both
they are
amazing,
clowns.
Amazing people.
Complete clowns.
Lovable.
इतनी तारीफ
for
नहीं,
Chandni-
तुम्हारी इतनी तारीफ नहीं
For
करूँगी.
Chandni
Good
we
looking.
are, but not for Nidhi.
No, they are complete clowns. They're mad. They make me laugh in the middle. Actually क्या होता ना, एक बार मैं एक scene करते करते बहुत, it was supposed to be a very like she's being mean. She's being herself. But उस दिन I was having a bad day. तो मैं ऐसे ही पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं रोने लगी वो scene. And these guys had such a laugh about it.
When did we laugh, yeah?
You guys laughed, yeah.
Nobody laughed.
The only person understood was
It's
Ajay.
all in your head.
No.
And he
Ajay
was the
said-
he was the able person who was making us laugh. ये सच्चाई है, अंदर की सच्चाई है.
मैं तो था ही नहीं set पे उस दिन.
उस दिन
मैं तो
ये
घर
No,
था.
you were there. What rubbish.
I
You were
was?
there. You
अच्छा.
came in later.
अच्छा.
उसमें मैडी की एंट्री होती है ना, that's the one.
अच्छा, before that you were crying. I thought you were acting.
No.
You really crying?
I started crying because his lines were very mean, and I was like,
He said something.
no,
No,
I was just having a bad day. So
मेरी कहाँ इतनी
Ajay
मजाक
just
भाई?
came to me and he's like, are you having a bad day? I'm like, oh, yeah.
Then he gave you only
So
5
he's
minutes.
like, just take 5-10
Five,
minutes,
that's it.
relax, then take the line again, and then
कठोर
then we
रहता है.
had a good time doing the scene. It was like a fun scene. Everybody's laughing and all. So when he was editing the scene, he's so sweet. He specially called me and he's like, nobody could say that you cried just before doing the scene.
Okay, who is that ड्रामेबाज on set? कोई भी हो सकता है.
ड्रामेबाज.
Yeah.
Yeah, only Ajay Buhan.
Yeah.
Sir is तो by God. Every time you are coming with different idea, he will tell you a different story about the overall scene, and when you're about to go into the scene, he said that this is the reality. I was joking at that time.
Yeah.
You understand that the kind of prankster he is.
Yeah.
He can bring you a different story about different aspect, and you become serious about that thing. Okay, it is like that, and after 10 minutes he will tell you, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, मजाक कर रहा था मैं.
Also, I never. You sometimes he vanishes from your eye line.
I know.
Yeah.
कि वो monitor जो है ना वहाँ पर भी नहीं है. He's somewhere else.
He doesn't-
Now the scene is going on. I don't know where he's watching it from because he's not on the monitor. I can't see him, but he's seeing from somewhere. Moving on.
Going on.
आवाज आती है. Moving on, man. And then but he's seen the scene from some corner. So yeah, I think
He
he's.
did his voice so well.
Yeah. Okay, lastly, who is the selfie queen or a selfie king of the set?
I think she's.
What rubbish. None of us clicked photos. Na, I to never.
Okay, she's not the selfie queen. We're not gonna say that. You're not. You're not. No, you're not the selfie
Sam,
queen.
yeah, it be thoda. He needs lunch.
Shiba Chadda ji.
Shiva was there.
Very obsessed about herself. Shiba
No,
ji.
but nobody
दिन
was
भर ऐसे
clicking.
घूमती है वो.
Nobody was clicking photographs. The only time I was very keen to click something was when your house, so-called house, and there were these 3-4 dogs, no, the huskies, everything came out. I went mad. I was like, I have to click a picture with them. That was the only time. But where
She didn't
I-
want any pictures of the co-actors. She wanted pictures with dogs.
Actually, you know, the other day I was looking कि मेरे
सुन रहा
पास
भाई?
कोई तो photo कुछ नहीं है यार.
आज फिर आप सब देख सकते हैं
हाँ,
reels and
yeah, I
all.
didn't click any picture with you guys. Sorry.
Lastly, one message for the audience.
Guys, look there. Tell them 20th. Date is 20th.
20th of
20th
December on Geo Cinemas. Please watch Moonwalk.
एंड जहां आपको पूरा समय एंजॉय करना है क्योंकि हमारी छुट्टियां शुरू होने वाली है शीतकालीन छुट्टियां और शीतकालीन छुट्टियों को गर्माहट से मजे लेने के लिए अगर जो आपको देखना है तो देखिए 20 दिसंबर को जियो सिनेमा पे मूनवॉक.
Wow.
इसका कुछ नहीं कह सकते. Perfect. This into 10.
Yes.
Moonwalk, 20th of December. Please watch.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
all
Thank
the
you.
best for
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you.